For this project, I started with a 7 by 7 inch canvas. I actually got a bunch of them at a garage sale this weekend. And I took the backing off, I took the clips off. These clips were really hard. Sometimes you have to be careful because you don't want to break the glass underneath. After I got the clips off, took the picture out, I took the glass out, I cleaned up the glass, and then I put the glass back in, and I used silicone caulk around the back of the perimeter of the frame, and this serves two purposes. It holds the glass in place once it's been dry, and it helps to prevent any resin leaks. And although I didn't video it, after this dried for 24 hours, I did take painter's tape and put it around the back of the perimeter to help prevent any resin leaks. I took some of this ASHLAND decorative filler. I actually had put it in a different bottle, but this is what it would look like. And it's gold. And I took a heart cookie cutter that I had, and I filled it with gold glass. Now, if you were doing a large project, it wouldn't be too hard to shape the heart, but because it's so tiny, it's really difficult to get it in the right shape. So that's why I used the cookie cutter. So then I was ready for resin. When I use resin, I wear gloves, I use a respirator. It's in your best interest to do it in a well-ventilated area, open a window. For this project, I'm using art resin. It's a 1-to-1 ratio resin. When you first pour it in the container, it looks clear. As you start to mix it, it becomes cloudy, and then after about 3 minutes, it becomes clear again, and it's ready to pour on your project. The slower you mix it, the less bubbles you'll get. You need to scrape the sides and the bottom as you're mixing. Then I was ready to pour it over the glass. I kept the cookie cutter on at first, poured some resin on, and then took it off. And of course the glass started slipping away a little bit, but I was able to push it back with the spoon. And then I just put the resin around the outside and tried to smooth it out as best as I could. They say resin is self-leveling, but you really need to push it up into the corners and along the sides, or you'll find that you have some empty spots. Next, I got out my little butane kitchen torch, which works really good to get all the bubbles out. You just have to go over it slowly, and sometimes you even have to do it twice. Hey everyone, this is the first of the Valentine project. Super, super easy. Honestly, costs next to nothing. The frames, I got 5 little frames at a garage sale this past weekend I got 5 of them for $2, and a little bit of resin and a little bit of glass maybe cost $1 to make, and I think it turned out so cute. And honestly, it doesn't even have to be just for Valentine's Day. This would look so cute just sitting on a shelf all year round. Well, I hope you liked the video. Have a great day.